Breaking up is challenging, and seeing your ex-girlfriend with someone new can be painful, especially if that new someone is one of their exes. First, it's important to give her space and respect her decisions while focusing on your personal growth and self-improvement. Reflecting on the reasons for the breakup can help you identify changes you need to make, whether that's addressing personal shortcomings or evaluating your compatibility. Engaging in activities that boost your self-esteem and casually dating others can also provide perspective. Before considering rekindling the relationship, ensure your motivations are genuine and not just a response to grief. Once you've cleared your mind and made meaningful changes, approach her confidently in a relaxed setting to discuss your feelings. This demonstrates your commitment to accountability and growth, which may open the door to a renewed connection.